Ever felt like the secret ingredient to scaling your dropshipping business is finding the right suppliers? Especially those based right here in the United States? You're not alone. Sourcing products domestically can be a game changer, offering faster shipping times, potentially higher product quality, and a smoother experience for both you and your customers. But navigating the vast landscape of online marketplaces and supplier directories can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. And if you're using Oberlo, a platform designed to simplify the dropshipping process, you might be wondering, how do I specifically pinpoint those valuable US-based suppliers? Well, you've landed in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the strategies and techniques you can use within Oberlo to uncover reliable and high-quality suppliers located right here in the United States. We'll explore the platform's features, uncover hidden gems, and equip you with the knowledge to make informed sourcing decisions that can propel your dropshipping venture to new heights. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why focusing on US suppliers can be so beneficial. In today's fast-paced e-commerce environment, customers expect quick delivery. Sourcing from within the US significantly reduces shipping times compared to international suppliers, leading to happier customers and fewer complaints about delays. Furthermore, working with US suppliers can often mean access to higher quality products and more stringent manufacturing standards. This can translate to fewer returns, better customer satisfaction, and a stronger brand reputation. Communication can also be smoother, with fewer language barriers and time zone differences to navigate. Plus, supporting domestic businesses can resonate positively with many consumers. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually find these US suppliers on Oberlo? While Oberlo primarily connected with AliExpress in the past, its current integration with Shopify offers a more diverse ecosystem, including access to suppliers through the Shopify App Store. This is where our focus will be. The first and most direct method is to utilize keywords effectively within the Shopify App Store when searching for sourcing apps. Instead of just searching for dropshipping suppliers, try more specific terms like US dropshipping, United States suppliers, or even niche-specific keywords combined with US-based. For example, if you're in the pet supplies niche, try US pet product dropshippers. This targeted approach can significantly narrow down your search results and bring you closer to relevant apps that curate US-based suppliers. Once you've performed a search, take the time to carefully examine the app listings. Pay close attention to the app's description. Does it explicitly mention a focus on US suppliers or warehousing within the United States? Look for keywords like ships from the USA, US-based warehouse, or domestic sourcing. Don't just rely on the first few results. Scroll through and explore multiple options. Clicking on an app listing will provide you with more detailed information. Read through the app's features and benefits. Does it offer a wide range of US suppliers within your niche? What are their shipping policies and estimated delivery times? What kind of product catalog do they offer? Are there any integration features with your Shopify store that seem particularly useful? Pay close attention to the app's pricing structure. Some apps may offer free plans with limited features, while others may have monthly subscriptions based on the number of products or orders. Consider your budget and the scale of your business when evaluating the cost. One of the most valuable resources when exploring apps is the customer reviews. Take the time to read what other Shopify store owners are saying about the app. Are they satisfied with the quality of the suppliers? Is the customer support responsive? Are there any recurring issues or complaints? Look for patterns in the reviews to get a balanced understanding of the app's strengths and weaknesses. A high number of positive reviews specifically mentioning US-based suppliers and fast shipping is a strong indicator. Beyond general searches, explore the categories within the Shopify App Store. Look for categories related to finding and sourcing products or dropshipping. Within these categories, you might find apps that specifically cater to US-based suppliers or have filters that allow you to narrow down your search geographically. Another strategy is to look for apps that integrate with established US-based wholesale marketplaces or supplier directories. Some apps act as a bridge, connecting you directly with suppliers on these platforms, streamlining the product import and order fulfillment process. Researching popular US wholesale marketplaces and then seeing if there are any Oberlo compatible or Shopify compatible apps that connect to them can be a fruitful approach. Don't underestimate the power of community. Engage with other dropshippers in online forums, Facebook groups, or Reddit communities dedicated to e-commerce and dropshipping. Ask for recommendations on U.S. supplier sourcing apps within the Shopify ecosystem. Experienced dropshippers are often willing to share their insights and point you towards reliable resources. Once you've identified a few promising apps, the next crucial step is to test them out. Many apps offer free trials or introductory periods. Take advantage of these opportunities to explore the app's interface, browse their selection of U.S. suppliers, and even try importing a few sample products to your store. This hands-on experience will give you a much better understanding of whether the app meets your needs and expectations. When evaluating potential U.S. suppliers within an app, consider several key factors. Product quality is paramount. Look for detailed product descriptions, high-resolution images, and ideally, the option to order samples to assess the quality firsthand. Shipping times are another critical aspect. Ensure the supplier offers reasonable shipping times within the U.S. that align with your customer expectations. Review their return and refund policies to protect yourself and your customers in case of issues. Customer support from the supplier is also essential. A responsive and helpful supplier can make a significant difference in resolving any problems that may arise. Check if the app provides clear communication channels with the suppliers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.